Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete your Instagram account like forever. And the first step is go to the application of Instagram. Now you need to go to your profile. After that you need to go to the settings and activity. This is here in the superior right corner in these three lines. And you need to search the option of help. You pick in help, and after that you need to go to the option of the help center. So in help center you need to go to the option of about of the Instagram. You pick here, and after that you need to go you need to search the option here in the help center. You need to set the option of delete account. You can search that option, delete account. You pick here in the first option, and after that you need to put here in delete your Instagram account. So you need to go down here, and you pick here in temporarily deactivate your account. You pick here, and after that you need to go down to the option of eliminar tu cuenta. In English this is delete your account. And you pick here in ayuda de la app para Android. This is the help for Android. You pick here in ayuda para navegadores de celular. This is help for the navigator of cell phones. You pick here, and after that you need to go down and you need to pick here in the option of eliminar cuenta. This is delete account. You pick here, and the last thing you need to do is select what you want to why you want to delete your account, and that's it. You can put here in otro motivo. This is another motive, and you delete your account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.